Hello, Mzansi and the world. Welcome back to another special video here on Mzansi's Finest Videos. If you are new, welcome and thanks for subscribing. Azish.
Ndimanga nayo imali traditional wedding or white wedding. Yenza lowe Afrikaans. Fat and set, my dear.
Fat and set ayikho
Utle motho a re o tlo wisha ke eng o mphe nka o fa motho wa ka wa fa
motho wa o glowish.
Bathong lona hape colleague ya ka o kwatile because ke fetse mmotsa gore ena le monna ha e batla ba le thuba nkgopele tšhelete a kere last month itse ke mo kopela ang transferele tao because ke reached the daily limit a mpotsa gore yena she can make financial decisions alone hape yena o nyetswe ene o itse gore ka nako eo ke mahadi a di half mara a sikho lapho so no a batla ba le thuna re tlo shwela gore rona ko home affairs re sengele
Friends, njani? Ngiyaphila njani? Oh, liphethwe njani?
Mzansi.
Better. Yeah. Hi baby.
Yeah, baby.
Sokhumbula la mali nakulela nizalo.
Yeah, imali leyo thezo.
Ngenile baby.
Ngenile baby.
Ngenile baby.
Hey bana. Hey bana. Mara baby. Ngitshelile ngathi ungiphakamisi phambi kwabantu hayi. Hayi, ngitshelile.
Salam alaikum ela yana ba go tsosa ka nne keys re betse go container
Assalamu alaikum. Stay.
Mara le judge guys jola love is a beautiful thing.
Go containing.
ene basadi ba khale na ba sa khete monna ore o mo handsome ha o sa tshepi lebela papa hao
Mara guys, kore taxi ino re latedisa fela e betha reverse e lata motho wa isa nkukuteng ko ma Nigeria nna re ya mmerekong re be re latelwe mara so re naganeleng tu
Pitori.
ha o jala le ngaka ho batla o nne o dula ntse o nna toxic nyana o moro hore tla tsa ditaola tse ke di latlhela go molapong tla tsa ditaola tse ke di latlhela go nokeng kwa o tsamaye go thasa mo tlase ga metsi go di batla o bone nje net for control
Tsaga ka ditaola.
Ane ke yana mpotse isone. Wine sa re kgogo ke ya Sevenda or ke ya Sezulu or ke ya Sechangane le re kgogo ke ya Sotho. Or sala e dumedisa fetsa ya re ashe.
Yo, what's up my people?
what did you people that's I
C'est prêt. C'est prêt.
for what
Hey, you don't know how to take a joke.
Recreation.
take my food
Ouch.
and futhi uyapha emfaneni ungahlali yini ugqoke igown uphuze ikofi uyapha emfaneni nama palms are black uyaphi nyempela uyaphi
Aw sawutar mutajon wad magaza tagin tom yo chimita magar hayewa mo en chum bushmanum fasi tikin tirti kara he pila wano rata di slow motion ko so itur o badala that
Kanto I want to love sister ka cheating ya ka ra cheatelo ela cheatela chomi ha.
because o jitela chumia ka ene ke best friend ya ka khanuringa but
Pila re ke re ntho ke ira no so. Because ke tlhakentse go rata.
mara bashiman le nna ka di told betrayal boyfriend and then when umang wait thinking ke la pila kwena ndong kiranyon sa yon wait thinking push up
I still care. Le basadi ba le neta.
In styling yana se sa lona sa gore le shere habli le sa bene ko monateng le sfetse because le sa tlo tlhobeha melomo because la itse gore hentse lentse Sharon tle be anyametse le opa di papa se ha bo itukisa di cholopo because batho ne ba la tsona metsokwana ko di khoneng.
Guys, please tell me I'm not the only one who get offended by a view once. How on sendela view once, it means you don't trust me with that thing on sending on. You don't trust me with it. Why are you sending it? Why did you decide to send it? Don't send it all together. Don't send it all together because you don't trust me. Ka taba eo ya hao, ka that screenshot, ka that that picture. You don't trust me ka yon. Scan sendela. Twela.
Okay.
and le re lebella snacks ko tropong kwa ha le tswa go di college tse tsa lena tsa scam He entrance ya teng ke saloon Sunday ke crack ya modimo a Kentucky.
Yazi namhlanje nje ngizizwa ngathi ifihlile. Kodwa futhi mangifihlile ngathi futhi kuyatla. Yabona? Yiwo into kanjalo. But futhi mawukuthi deep down bese futhi bengathi futhi manje futhi kuyatsamaya. Ngithi ngisatsamaya manje ngithi mina ngiyatsamaya nje manje. Bese futhi bathi manje ngiswile. Yabona? Bengathi ngiswile. Bari angazi kodwa ngathi manje angitsibi silo. Ngathi angitsibi silo.
I'm confused.
Ushata nami.
Le he re swa jole he re fetso bolela ka phone mpotse gore wa nrata
How?
mpotse gore wa nrata
No, tattoo.
ena la godisiwa pele
Ke tattoo ya.
shapo ke dilo mang
Mara bananyana bana di tattoo banana go ba monate. Batho ngwena ke inki a se 6 gane. Ke inki ngwana bona ke inki a se 6 gane. He batho.
Guys, wa bona motho wa monna a reka Polo 7. O tsuru pile na dream car ya hae. Ke Golf 80 le di R-Line. Ene vision ya hae ya busidla bantwana. O nyoko ja bana motho.
Mara a le mpotse masole. Why have a Lisa Eldorado Park laya? Mara ba ka re deployment to Jukulane Ali. Itla Jukulane. La eto le ka seke. Wanyiwa ko.
And uyabona iliphondo nelingibhorela ukuthi mawuvuka uvuka umuhle uvuka uclean ngathi uyoba istroy lingibhora lapho manje ngimele ngingaphandle ngimuhle kanje ekseni kangaka
ene rena le problem empya because bashimane ka English bona ne ba robala ko classing no motho ho mmotsa hore hada o ketsa speed
like wetsi bashimane ba nrutileng ne ba nrutile hore number 1 mojola se beauty contest hore wena o pila wena o cheapy una le clear skin ha ona clear skin o le yellow bone o le black bone they don't give a shit abana taba number 2 banruta hape hore sesi marao makima a ira function e 1 le seshwapha marao ka o tshwara maka banrutile tsena dilo tseo
Gore o khona bana mauthi batla ditse tafola la te piko mo bona re mola ke di VSOP fela. Ba pethile go ta botlhoko. Ba tshwere di stock mal. Abor, aba sapote bana.
O itse
Aba sapote bana.
What do you think sugar daddy? Bashimane ba 78 years. Uma sendela message or 30. Today is Friday. I get a scarf too. We are going out for lunch with my friends. It's a kopaya lunch. Uda. When I'm about to. After such a thing, you are like the other pen frame. After such a order. Thank you. I will just swallow. And so that society in Guapi. I go break it papa how and I get I go kill a boo. Who like it? I go to the sweets. When I start a hundred pound and we will be a cressida. Okay, I got this box like ice pepper. Chocolate. What do you want? That's very keen. What do you want a boyfriend down? It's not a tapella. I hope Jabba will go with it.
No muntu amoyazi ukuthi anginamuntu. Umuntu amoyazi ukuthi wayena akusumuntu. Uyazi ukuthi akumelanga sizodonsana ngamawashini estradini. Thi umuntu nomuntu ngoba mina anginamuntu. Ene lokho akusho ukuthi khona uye kuphela. Mara okusala akusumuntu. Yangiza ukuthi
Nine macup. Abo, unile ngithemba sizitsha. Uzuhamba la ungazibasanga izitsha and awuzushiya la ungakorobhanga. Lekhishi lami ngifuna ukulithola liclean and ugeza izitsha mawugqiba usipake. Khumbula phela ukuthi la endlini uyohlala ungithabo awusi touchline la endlini. Touchline e-studio, touchline e-TV, not la endlini, not la kwa.
Abafana ba hot dropping.
Ulalela
le ba bone bo ausi ba la ba babedi ba ne ba tlile mo ba bonang gore ke bo ausi wa itse ba all right Children are not meant to be buried by their parents. Parents are the ones who should bury their children. Or children must bury their parents rather.
Okay, guys, thanks for making it this far and thanks for supporting this channel. See you in the next upload. Azish.
Ramaphosa, my president, president of South Africa, can you please not involve yourself this time? Please shut up, ne? Look at Kaizer Chiefs lose or something. I don't know. Look at football. Make sure you don't look at the news, Ramaphosa, because we don't trust you, if we're being honest, ne? Please talk. Shush. Close your eyes. Go to sleep. Kaizer Chiefs lost. This is a bad sign. If we enter the war, we're gonna lose. We're gonna become Kaizer Chiefs in this war. Please don't do that to us. Relax. Look at the ball. I don't know. Look at something other than the news, and tell everyone in your way, and tell Julius to shut up. Julius, we love you, but shush.